Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a company purchased a machine valued at $120,000. The value of the machine depreciates by the same amount each year, so that after 10 years, the value will be $30,000. We're asked which of the following equations gives the value V of the machine T years after it was purchased for this range of values from 0 to 10 years. So we're told that when T is equal to 0, right, 0 years after it was purchased, it's $120,000. And 10 years after it's purchased, T is equal to 10, and the value, V, is 30,000. So we now have two T values to plug in, and these will only come out to both of these values for one of our answers. So if we get the correct answer 2 times, we know that's our answer. So let's start with A. So V is equal to 30,000 minus 9,000 T. For T is equal to 0, V is equal to 30,000 minus 9,000 times 0, right, because T is 0 here, which is 30,000 minus 9,000 times 0 is 0, which is just 30,000. So this is saying when T is 0, V is 30,000, we're looking for 120,000, so A is another answer. We don't even have to check the other point. B, V is equal to 120,000 minus 9,000 T. So for T is equal to 0, V is equal to 120,000 minus 9,000 times 0. 120,000, 9,000 times 0 is 0, so minus 0, and this is 120,000. And this is the value we're looking for, so that's good, but it also has to work for T is equal to 10. And when we plug that in, we get V is equal to 120,000 minus 9,000 times 10, because T is now 10, which is 120,000 minus 9,000 times 10 is 90,000. 120,000 minus 90,000 is 30,000, and this is also correct. So both of our points have checked out, and we know B is our final answer, right? The other options A, C, and D will either work for one or the other, or neither, but they won't work for both of them. Don't even have to check C and D, because if we know B is correct, it's multiple choice, you don't even have to check the others. But anyways, as always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.